So these are some examples of our discharge instructions for the various surgeries that we do. The first one here is a canine OVH. It goes over the incision care, what to look for, your pet's health, and it also gives you time for suture removal, which is listed there, which is usually 12 to 14 days. The next one we have is a feline OVH, and it's basically the same. It lists the incision care, the pet's health, and the suture removal. And then if there are any questions, it leaves a number that you can call. The next one is a feline OVH and a declaw. So it's basically the same as the other two. It just lists the declaw care as well as the health and the incision care. And then it lists the suture removal. The next one is a feline declaw. It goes over declaw care, such as using shredded newspaper for litter, how to keep them clean, what to look for, list your pet's health, and if any questions, to give us a call. The next one is a feline alter and declaw. Pretty much the same as the other ones. It's just it lists everything about the declaw care and your pet's health. It just has everything there for you. The next one is a feline alter, which they're not too much to worry about, so it doesn't list as much as the other ones, but it's still the same layout as all the other discharge instructions. The next one is a canine alter, which same as all the other ones: incision care, pet's health, suture removal, when they need to come out, etc. And then the last one that we have, it's called home care instructions. This is for if you're doing a cruciate or some other surgery that we don't have the papers for, that's a little bit more in depth, where you can list the client's name, the date that it came in, the procedure that it came in for, and also the release date. And then here on the side, you can list, you can select what medications you need to give, what kind of food and water they need to eat, if they can eat, the exercise. You pretty much just spell everything out instead of handing a paper. And then the follow-up instructions, when to come in for a recheck, the things to monitor for, and then if there's any other special instructions the veterinarian needs to write, they can write down there. And then they keep this as a better guide to go by.